Welcome to Verbally. Today's lesson is about phrasal_verb_ lesson. Connect better. 5 phrasal verbs for socializing. Master 5 essential English phrasal verbs to confidently talk about meeting friends, spending time together, and building relationships. Catch up. Use catch up when you meet someone you haven't seen in a while to share news and updates. It's about reconnecting and exchanging information. Let's catch up for coffee next week and tell me what you've been up to. Hang out. Hang out means to spend time informally and casually with friends, often without a specific plan or activity. It emphasizes relaxed social time. Do you want to hang out at the park later? We can just chat. Get along. Use get along to describe when people have a friendly and harmonious relationship, without arguments or conflict. It highlights positive interactions. It's a relief that my new roommates get along really well. Reach out. Reach out means to contact someone, often to offer or ask for help, support, or to build a connection. It implies making an effort to communicate. If you're feeling lonely, please reach out to a friend or family member. Look forward to. Use look forward to when you are excited and pleased about a future event or meeting. It expresses positive anticipation for something enjoyable. I'm really looking forward to our dinner party on Saturday. Practice using these phrasal verbs in your casual conversations. Notice how native speakers use them in social settings in movies or shows. These phrasal verbs help you smoothly discuss planning, enjoying, and maintaining your social connections. If you learned something new, hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so you never miss a lesson. Find the full lesson and more free quizzes on SCHO